Fully reopened in 2023 after a major rehabilitation, the Devil's Den in Gettysburg National Military Park looks the same and yet different. Confederate infantry shoved the defending Yankee troops from Devil's Den and adjacent Houck's Ridge on July 2, 1863. Today, Devil's Den rates among the top visitor destinations at Gettysburg. Leaving their vehicles at the Sickles Avenue parking areas, people explore the massive boulders sprawling across and down the south end of Houck's Ridge. Paved trails access Devil's Den, but for the past 50-plus years, visitors have walked wherever they want, and countless footsteps have worn much ground cover down to the topsoil. Before Little Round Top closed for major rehabilitation in summer 2022, the National Park Service closed and rehabilitated Devil's Den. The project involved removing the existing steps and paved paths, repaving the trails with a soil-covered material better resistant to foot traffic, installing new steps, replacing the long stretch of steps on the trail that carries visitors from the Sickles Avenue parking areas to the top of Devil's Den, and replanting the natural areas left bare by foot traffic. The National Park Service reopened most of Devil's Den by spring 2023 and all of it by later that year. Today, visitors once again fully explore the brooding boulders. Check out the Devil's Den the next time you visit Gettysburg. You will not be disappointed.